In this video, we'll learn how our Power Drive team members resolve an interference issue on our drivetrain project. Roman, our test engineer, discovers a noise and vibration coming from the differential, so he decides to create a new issue from the Issues Management widget. Roman makes notes about the possible root cause in the description field. He attaches the ring and pinion CAD in the Reported Against window using drag and drop. Ryan, the project manager, is assigned to the issue. Notice that Roman attaches information from his local computer to provide more context to the problem. Ryan receives an email notification about the issue. From the project schedule table view, he creates a new task. Ryan assigns both Mario and Roman. From the Collaborative Task widget, he adds the issue as a deliverable. This is important for two reasons. Now the issue and the task are linked, and the concern has maximum visibility across the company. Next, Ryan facilitates a review with Mario and Roman using the 3D markup widget. They analyze the CAD data and discover the problem. They agree on the action plan and assign Mario, the design engineer, to make the changes in SolidWorks. Once Mario completes the modifications, he checks the CAD back into 3DEXPERIENCE using the SolidWorks connector and the Product Structure Editor widget. Before the issue and the project task are closed, a new simulation is required. As the task assignee, Mario can add subtasks independently without having to track down Ryan. He assigns Bernard, the structural engineer, to perform the new simulation in Simulia. After the simulation is complete, Roman, the owner of the issue, can verify the results. On the Collaboration and Approvals web app, Roman looks at Bernard's new simulation. Roman is satisfied with the results, so he adds the resolution statement and closes the issue. Now that all the project tasks are finished, Ryan can focus on the other activities in the test and verification phase. But most importantly, the team has successfully mitigated quality concerns and rework. You have just learned how our project team identifies and resolves an issue using 3DEXPERIENCE. In the next video, we'll see how Ryan, our project manager, works with resource management.